Today's recipe is very easy and doesn't need much ingredients, yet is delicious. Let's cook pad see ew! สวัสดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! Welcome to my channel, Nin is cooking. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm very happy today because we received our t-shirt. We have different shapes and colors. This is lady version and on the text is like ฉันชอบเผ็ด It means I like spicy. We also have a male version as well. So this is a male version. If you like it, go check our t-shirt. Bye Coco. Thank you. Today I will show you guys how to cook pad see ew gai. It is stir-fry noodle with chicken, eggs and kale. Are you ready? Let's go. First step, cut Chinese kale and peel the garlic. Cut out kale's branches. And diagonally cut the leaves and stem. Remove the skin from the main stem because it's too hard and you cannot eat it. Crush the garlic. And peel off the skin. Now start seasoning your noodles. Add black soy sauce and mix it. Make sure all the noodles are fully covered. Add garlic in hot oil. Cook it until it turns brownish. Add chicken. Once chicken is cooked, add kale. Mix a bit. Then add noodles. Add soy sauce, sugar, and oyster sauce. Stir a bit. Then add eggs. Mix everything together well. Delicious. อร่อยอ่ะ I added chili powder, but it's optional. The noodle is very soft and the Chinese kale is give some crunchiness. And the marinated chicken is so good. As I said in the beginning, this recipe is quick, easy, and delicious. You have to try it. If you like our t-shirt, go have a look in description. I will put a link. As always, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, share, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ Bye. Let's cook pad see ew. Maybe I do like this. Let's cook pad see ew. Let's cook pad see ew.